Hello, hope you're having a great day. I want to talk to you today about odor in the room. So, when you have an odor in the room, sometimes it comes from your walls, right? Because the walls normally don't get cleaned. When we cough, it goes on the walls. Everything that we do gets on the walls, right? So, your walls sometimes can give you odor that you do not expect. So, one of the ways to do that is to kill the odor and then clean. Cleaning it is just not going to give you the result that you want because when you're cleaning, you're not killing bacteria. Just washing off surfaces. We don't want to wash off surfaces because we have um, a live living germ that is, or let's say bacteria that is on the surface. These bacteria are not as serious as, let's say, for lack of a better example, COVID. So you don't have to worry about, you know, getting any, serious sickness. You just have to make sure you steam clean it first. So when you sanitize it and it's steam cleaned, you can, now you know that the place is sanitized. So all your bacteria is gone. So now you can wipe it down. You don't have to worry about, diseases or anything of that sort, right? It's always advisable to wear gloves. This is how one of the ways that you could get your walls looking, looking good and your room smelling much pleasant. Don't use heavy cleaning chemicals. I don't want to tell you what to use on the walls because it depends on the kind of wall it is, right? It depends on the texture of the wall. That's how you're going to determine to clean it. So I don't want to give you information on what to use to clean the walls because I don't know what kind of wall it is. And I don't want to give information on what to use to clean the walls because I don't know the situation that you're dealing with. You have to know the situation that you're dealing with so you'll be able to clean the walls in the way that will require it, or is required, so you can solve the problem you're trying to solve. All right. So with that said, so what you're looking at right now is obviously we're using the steam, right, to kill the bacteria on the surfaces. That's what we're doing. We're using the steam. So steam is coming out from the machine. It's killing all the bacteria on the surfaces. We're not using a lot of steam because we don't want to damage the paint. So after that, it's cleaned out and this is how it looks. So this is the after, right? Hope this was helpful to you and you can see how it looks. So hopefully this is helpful. And then, if you need any services, contact us. This is the best way to contact us. Thank you very much for watching. We're in New York City. We serve New York City. Thanks a lot. Have a great day.